Hello everyone, this is Sahil Nag, and in this video we will be looking at how to run C++ programs in Visual Studio Code. So without any further delay, let's get started. Visual Studio Code is the editor and MinGW is the compiler we will be using. Links for downloading both of them is given in the description. Name of the compiler is MinGW-W64, but as you can see in the website, it runs for both 32 and 64-bit Windows. So let's install it. Click on next. In architecture, we have to select x86_64. Next. This is the default installation drive. Click next. Installation will take time based on our internet speed and it is installed. So click next and click finish. Now let's set the environment variables so that whole laptop knows about the MinGW compiler installed. For that, go to this PC, go to C drive, go to program files and search for MinGW. Open the folder, open the MinGW64 folder, open the bin folder, and now here we have to copy this location. Now we have to close this window, open this PC properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, go to the path, click new, paste the path you have just now copied, click OK, 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 close. Now let's open VS Code. We will be installing some important extensions which can be opened from here. Search C++. The first result we have to click. It also has IntelliSense, debugging and code browsing. Install. Next extension is Code Runner. Install this too. Now we can close this tab. Go to terminal, new terminal, open a drive of your choice. I am opening D drive. Create a new folder in which all C++ program will be located. CD into it. Now we will create a Hello World folder in which our Hello World program will be located. CD into it. For making a folder, mkdir command is used, and for opening that folder, cd command is used. Now go to File, open folder, open the C++ folder you just now created. Now in the Hello World folder, we will create a file by this new file. Name it Hello World.cpp. CPP extension is very important or else your program won't work. Now let's write a simple program. Now the program is created. Go to terminal, configure default build task. The g++.exe build active file will automatically appear here and click on it. task.json will be created, don't worry about it. Now go to your program hello world, again go to terminal and do run build task. The program build finished successfully. Now if you run the code, it will work. As you can see, hello world is printed. Now for gaining more control over the C++ extension, we need to configure it. For that, go to view, open the command palette, search C++ UI, open the first suggestion, and now make sure the configuration name is GCC and the path is as it is, and the IntelliSense mode is GCC-x64. So this is how you can make C++ programs in Visual Studio Code. Now if you want to make another program, open the same C++ folder from file and make a new folder, and inside that make your C++ file. All of this configuration was for one time only, and next time when you write your program, you only have to compile it by going to the terminal and doing run build task, and then you can run code either by right clicking and doing run code or going to the code runner button. So this was it for the video, and if you face any difficulties, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.